Happy holidays! I'm Miss Carol and we're going to make Crockpot Candy. This makes about 150 to 170 pieces. Place the ingredients in the crock pot as listed. Peanuts, chocolate chips, German chocolate, and then the almond bark. Put a lid on it, don't stir it, and let it cook for 3 hours. Do not remove the lid, and after the 3 hours, turn off the crock pot and let it cool slightly. The mixture will still be somewhat solid, but not melted thoroughly. Have your wax paper laid out and or paper cups ready and start dipping out your candy.